because I was scared. I don't want to waste my money. It's not comfortable. Something's just like Instagram cute. Did you guys notice a lot of people buying from this brand LSKD? Because I started noticing that like maybe mid last year, when a lot of CrossFit athletes changed from the what used to be the sponsor Noble, and a lot of them started posting about this LSKD brand. And more recently, I saw a lot of influencers that I follow also wearing them, and girls at my gym now. So I'm like, okay. And they have some really nice like color. They're very colorful, and I think the thing that got people very quickly is they're cute. They have cute colors, and they also have men's sections, right? So it's not just for women. So a little bit different than what Oner Active does. They focus on women. This one have both. So I'm actually a little bit sad. So I got 4 items, actually 3 because one was for my boyfriend, to try so you guys don't have to, and I'll let you know what I think. Honestly, I always buy Oner Active, and I'm really happy with my Oner Active. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at their Instagram. I'm really happy with my Oner Active. That's why it took so long to purchase from this brand, because I was scared. I was like, I don't want to waste my money, you know, in something I don't like, something that's not comfortable, something is just like Instagram cute, but it doesn't fit me very well. And I'm really picky with my shorts. I'm actually a little bit upset that I didn't really like found out about this brand. I think last time when I did the High Rocks, what was that? Was it last year or something? With my boyfriend, because I wanted to go matching with him in like green. And I have the racing green from Oner Active, but I couldn't find nice racing green shorts for men.
Like, what's wrong with you guys? Like,
what's wrong with all these brands that just make gray, black, and brown camo shorts? Like really, I look Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, ASOS, Cotton On, like Lululemon. I couldn't really think about brands for men because I don't really buy that often for my boyfriend anything. And I couldn't find like nice green, and I'm sure they would have here because they have like all colors. They even have like pink and green and blue, and whatever you want you're gonna find here. So I'm a little bit upset because I actually found a green for men, like green shorts that would match my green shorts. So at the end we had to go all black, which was nice but a bit boring. But anyways, I got 3 items to try, and mainly because I really wanted one of them, which was a sweater. Yes, I know it's summer here, but I'm traveling to a cold place soon in October, but it's gonna be really cold, okay? So on winter they launched, not winter, I think it was like, was it spring? I think it was spring or winter, I don't know. They launched these sweaters, and they are very like vibrant and colorful, and usually they mix like 2 or 3 colors. And I took a screenshot of like a bunch of them that I liked. And when I went to buy this time, I actually wasn't going to buy, but then I added my address there, my email address for the... So that's why the package is open, because I gave him the shorts last night. We haven't tried it yet. If I try the pieces later, like in a workout on time for this video, then I'll post here like a stories or like some type of video at the end saying what I think. So I got 3 things. I got a shorts, and why is it so hard to get shorts with no middle seam? Why Lululemon was on the news the other day because they were bringing back no front seam legging, like 2025.
why do we need the front seam? Honestly,
I don't understand why is it so hard to just remove that. Who likes that? No one likes that. It doesn't even look nice. It looks ugly, and it's so uncomfortable for them not to realize that that's not something we want. We don't want that. Take it out, please. Like Oner Active, none of their items, like the leggings and the shorts, have front seam. I think right now that's the bare minimum for me, right? Like the other day I had to give away a lot of my dark sport shorts because they all have the front seam, and I just gave to my friends because after wearing Oner Active for so long with no front seam, when I put them on, I'm like, ugh, terrible. Okay, so I'm gonna open here. You guys are gonna have a look. It's gonna be a very quick review. Also, another thing I want to say, they delivered it so fast. I ordered it, like I think it was I ordered it on Sunday night here in Hong Kong, and then on the next day I already got an email saying it was shipped. And then I received it yesterday, which was a Thursday. So it took like 3-4 days to get here. This one I'm actually excited because I was looking for shorts that were... I wanted like a comfortable shorts in a nice color that I don't have. So I got this purple. No middle seam. It has pockets on both sides. What? Has the minimal LSKD in the back. And it's like brush material. It looks quite comfortable. It's not very thick and not super thin. So it's thicker than like the Oner Active Soft Motion. Another thing, did you know LSKD stands for Lose Kid? I almost had a heart attack because I purchased it and then later I was going through my credit card statement and then I saw like Lose Kid like 1,000 Hong Kong dollars or something. And I was like, what is that? I thought someone like cloned my card or something. Then for the bra, I didn't find like their bras. I found them, they are very cute. The back are always like very cute and then the front is like so big and bulky, so it was a little bit harder for me to find sports bra. Also, I got everything on small size. So the bra, I got like a green one. It's actually darker than what you guys can see. The back is very cute. It's like strappy, very minimal, so I'm quite excited for that. Last but not least, so this sweater, they had like so many colors, but the only one what I saw was it's a unisex item and it's supposed to be oversized. So I never really buy small size sweater because I usually like them quite big, but this one, because it was unisex, I saw the models, I looked at the models and the girl was wearing like an extra small and looked quite baggy. Then I changed to another color to see how it looked like in another model and she was also wearing an extra small, so I was like, oh, maybe I'll just get a small. So I got a small size on this one as well. Ta-da! Wow, actually the shorts and the bra match. I mean, it's a totally different shade of purple, but cute. Damn, wow. The small size is really big, guys. Maybe I could even get the extra small. Okay, I'm gonna try them really quickly and then let you guys know what I think. Actually, it's pretty nice and comfortable. Doesn't contour the butt like Oner Active would, but it's very comfortable and nice. I think it would be very nice to like train. I'll show you guys a bit more details. So here's the pocket, another pocket. Very nice. So this is a small size, and the bra, oh, the bra is cute. A little bit too open in the front for me. It's actually quite supportive. I don't have a lot of support, but so for me it's okay. I'm gonna try to train in these as soon as possible and then try to bring like a video about it to let you guys know. And then the sweater, so in small size. So what I'm planning is this, they had so many colors, but this color was one of my favorite, and it was the only one that they still had in small size. All the other ones, they only had like medium or more. I don't know if they had extra small. Now I'm gonna have to double check. I think I could even get extra small, it will still be okay. I think I still prefer the small. I don't know. Maybe I can get one extra small. But what I decided to do is I'll wait for like a end of season sale if they restock or something. But I really love the other color, so I really hope they had like a sale or something and I can buy one more color, an extra small. They have like a black with like orange, it's so cool, or like I think a black with like a dark pink as well, really nice. So I wanted one of those. I think I really like it. I think the bra, if you're only doing like something you don't have to jump and run and do crazy stuff like that, it's fine. If you're just like doing machine for more like crazy workouts, like more like CrossFit and stuff, I'm not so sure. They have more covered options for you guys. I think the shorts are great. I'll put a screenshot on the screen because they have many lengths for shorts for girls. They have many different colors. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I think you would really like to watch this other video that I posted. It's about the Oner Active leggings and fabrics, and for you to understand what fabric you should get, because they're all like quite different, and it's a little bit confusing when you go on the website and you've never tried them before, right? So I'm explaining a little bit what I think about each one of them and why you should get it. Go have a look, and I'll see you next time.